Welcome to our exciting session on JavaScript classes. Consider this your comprehensive guide to understanding, structuring, and applying real-world concepts in creating classes. We'll explore the foundational principles, delve into constructors, demystify class methods, and uncover the magic behind inheritance. Ready for an enlightening adventure in the world of JavaScript classes? Let's dive right in. We're now delving into the magical world of classes. Just as every house follows a certain structure with distinct details, think of classes as blueprints for creating objects. In JavaScript, we use the class keyword to declare a class. In the code on the slide, we're declaring a class. Remember to stay on the edge of your seat for understanding its properties and methods. They are coming right up. Excited? Let's proceed. Now that we've peered into the basics of classes, let's explore the driving engine of these concepts. The class constructor. This special method is called every time an object is created from a class. In the code on the slide, notice that we've created a myCar object from the car class, and car name is set as Toyota. It's worth noting that the this keyword inside a class refers to the instance of the class. So when we say this.carName equals brand, it means we're assigning the value of brand to the carname property of the newly created object. Let's keep the momentum and continue exploring. In addition to properties, classes can also have methods. This enables objects from a class to perform actions. Similar to functions, class methods allow us to carry out tasks or compute values. On the slide, we have a player class with a name and score property and an increase score method. This method adds 1 to the score property of a player object. Don't forget, in JavaScript, we omit the function keyword when defining class methods. Now, let's get ready to explore class inheritance in the upcoming section. Keep going, you're doing great. Inheritance in object-oriented programming allows a class to derive properties and methods from another class, shaping a parent-child relationship. We use the extends keyword in JavaScript to achieve this. Take the code snippet provided, for instance. We have an animal class and 2 subclasses, cat and dog, each extending animal, embodying the principle of inheritance. When you look at the cat class, you notice that it doesn't have a constructor or a speak method of its own. However, when we instantiate a cat object like Whiskers, it exhibits the characteristics of an animal. Upon creation, it logs an instance of animal is being created. When prompted to speak, it outputs Whiskers makes a noise. This shows that although cat doesn't define these properties and methods, it fully inherits them from its parent class animal through the use of inheritance. Moving on to the dog class, we witness the next level of sophistication with inheritance, overriding methods. The dog class has its constructor, which first logs an instance of dog is being created, then uses the super keyword to call the parent constructor, logging an instance of animal is being created. The super keyword, hence, is a powerful tool used to refer to the parent class, enabling invocation of parent methods when needed. Through this simultaneous inheritance and overriding, classes can pick and personalize the functionality as needed while preserving code reusability. Now we take a step back and appreciate our journey through JavaScript classes. We unfolded the concept of classes and explored their constituents, the syntax, constructors, and methods, followed by a deep dive into class inheritance. All these elements combined form the backbone of object-oriented programming in JavaScript and set the stage for fantastic applications. The road doesn't end here. Going forward, we'll consider hands-on practice exercises designed to reinforce your new knowledge. So gear up and see you on the other side. Ready, set, code.